Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the FL Studio mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. FL Studio Mobile is a digital audio workstation designed for smartphones and tablets. It brings a scaled-down version of the popular FL Studio software to mobile devices, allowing users to create, record, and edit music on the go. With this app, you can lay down beats, record vocals, arrange tracks, and mix songs without needing a desktop setup. Users often appreciate how feature-rich FL Studio Mobile is for a mobile app. It includes a wide range of instruments, drum kits, synthesizers, and samples. The interface is touch-friendly, and tools like the step sequencer and piano roll are easy to learn, even for beginners. Recording multiple tracks and layering instruments is straightforward, and the app supports exporting projects in high-quality format. For creators already familiar with FL Studio on desktop, the workflow feels somewhat familiar, making it easier to transition between devices. Another highlight is portability. Having a professional-level DAW in your pocket means you can quickly capture ideas whenever inspiration strikes. The app also supports MIDI controllers, enabling more precise recording for musicians who prefer physical instruments. However, there are some downsides. While the app is powerful, it's still more limited than the full desktop version. Some advanced production tools and plugins aren't available, which may restrict professional users. The interface, while functional, can feel cramped on smaller screens, and heavy projects may cause performance issues on older devices. Additionally, certain sample packs and features require extra purchases, which can add to the overall cost. In summary, FL Studio Mobile is worth considering if you want a portable, all-in-one music production app that balances usability with professional features. It's especially useful for beginners, hobbyists, and musicians who want to capture ideas on the go. But if you need advanced studio-level tools, the desktop version will remain the stronger option. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.